Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the breathtaking world of wildlife and nature at Nagarhole National Park and Tiger Reserve, specifically exploring the Nanachi Gate. Known for its rich biodiversity and stunning landscapes, this reserve offers a glimpse into the wonders of the wild. Spotting big cats like tigers and leopards in their natural habitats is a thrilling experience. The reserve's careful conservation efforts have ensured a stable habitat for these apex predators, allowing them to thrive undisturbed. Beyond its carnivores, Nagarhole is a paradise for bird watchers, with over 270 species of birds recorded here, including the vibrant Malabar trongon and the regal Indian paradise flycatcher. Every moment spent here offers a chance to witness nature's beauty. Elephants also play a significant role in the ecosystem of Nagarhole. These gentle giants roam freely, shaping the landscape and enriching the biodiversity of this reserve. Today, we secured tickets for a jeep safari in Nagarhole, commencing from the entry point at Nanachi Gate. Accompanying me on this adventure is my friend and cousin Johnny Varghese. The range officer at the gate, whom I have met several times during previous trips, was exceptionally helpful and flexible in organizing a jeep safari for us. He consistently supported all visitors who were uncertain or confused about the safari arrangements. I remember his name as Mr. Naveen. As I have highlighted in many of my earlier videos, the success or failure of a forest safari rests solely on the safari driver's ability to spot animals and predict their movements. Allow me to introduce Mr. Shiva, one of the seasoned safari drivers here at Nanachi Gate. His passion for wildlife is matched only by his extraordinary skill in locating even the most elusive animals hidden among the foliage. As we raced through the forest, Shiva suddenly halted the jeep. With precision, he directed our attention to a monitor lizard perched on a tree branch, sitting with its head peeking out from a hole. We were all struck with astonishment at the sight. In fact, each of us in the vehicle took a moment to spot the lizard even after Shiva had pointed it out to us multiple times. During this afternoon time at Nagarhole, we weaved onto unpaved paths in the lush and verdant woodland. Shiva skillfully guided the jeep ahead. As we advanced through the Nagarhole's rich biodiversity, Shiva stopped the vehicle beside a water body and pointed out the Indian tortoises resting on fallen tree branches. We noticed two types of tortoises there with different colors and shades. Yeah, the other one is black. That is the normal one. As we continued our journey, we came across the next sighting, which could be marked as the highlight of the day or the highlight of this safari itself. We encountered a group consisting of 3 adult female elephants and 3 small baby elephants grazing together. We later discovered another female elephant observing our vehicle and surroundings from a distance of about 50 meters, which caught our attention only at the last minute. The elephants in the group displayed remarkable calmness and composure, unlike the usual protective behavior seen in mothers with young calves who often charge at their intruders. We were fortunate that the elephants were undisturbed by the sounds made by the infant child in our vehicle while we observed this herd. Let me clarify for my viewers. I am not opposed to infants or children participating in wildlife experiences. However, the jungle safaris require maintaining complete silence while moving or stopping so as not to disturb the wild animals. Therefore, I suggest that parents with infants and small children visit a zoo where they can observe and learn about wildlife in a more controlled environment. Witnessing 3 mother elephants grazing peacefully in the wild alongside 3 adorable baby elephants is a breathtaking sight. It is a testament to the serene and harmonious nature of these magnificent creatures, showcasing their gentle and nurturing behavior in their natural habitat. Moments like these remind us of beauty and wonder of wildlife and the importance of preserving their peaceful existence in the wild.
Three babies, 3 mothers.
The mother elephants were keenly vigilant of their surroundings, evident from their attentive actions.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೂರನ್ನು ತಾಯಿನೇ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮದರ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಮೋಡ ಲೀಡರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್
This one?
ಎಸ್ and total family one group and cubs 1 male and 2 females.
They frequently sniffed the air, yet remained composed and continued grazing peacefully. They seemed to have ignored the baby's noises from our vehicles as we remained calm and quiet with the vehicle stopped.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಗಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಮರಿ ಅದು ಮೇಲಿದೆ ಟಸ್ಕರ್ ಮರಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಟಸ್ಕರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಮರಿಗಳು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇದಾವೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಅಂದರೆ ಮರಿ ಅದು ಮರಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಮೇಲ್ ಟಸ್ಕರ್ ಅದು ದಂತ ಇದೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಮರದಿಂದ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದು ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಇದು ಸದ್ದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಈ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ.
However, when we heard the distant sound of another safari bus approaching from behind where we were standing, the lone female elephant, which we hadn't noticed before, sounded a warning to the larger herd. In response, all of them promptly walked away into the bushes.
Crop protection. Recharge out.
No problem.
Then crowd problem. ಬರೀ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
As the next safari bus approached and came to a stop behind us, one of the majestic female adult elephant cautiously stepped out while the adorable baby elephants remained nestled under the bushes.
Again coming back here.
The lone elephant that had previously sounded the alarm approached us with a hint of agitation, almost as if ready to charge, but thankfully she held back.
ರೇಡಿಯೇಟರ್ ನೀರು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ನೋಡಿ.
After cherishing this mesmerizing encounter for a while, we continued our journey with heart full of wonder and gratitude. Amidst the lush forest, a serene scene unfolds. A grey langur rests gracefully on the forest floor, while in the background, others playfully ascend the towering trees. Adding to the picturesque setting, spotted deer graze peacefully against the backdrop of this captivating natural vista. As we continued our journey, we encountered more grazing behaviors such as the spotted deer and the majestic Indian bison, which is also known as the Gaur. Within the forest's serene water body, we marveled at the variety of bird species. Cormorants glided elegantly across the surface, while black-headed ibises added contrasting hues to the tranquil scene. A kingfisher's swift movements and the vivid plumage completed the picturesque tableau, showcasing the vibrant avian life thriving in this peaceful natural setting. Amongst this lively scene, a group of tortoises rested atop a fallen tree submerged in the water, their slow movements contrasting with the flurry of avian activity above. It was a mesmerizing glimpse into the rich biodiversity thriving in the heart of the forest. Inside the forest, we were treated to a stunning display of wildlife near a water body. Sambar deer roamed gracefully while groups of spotted deer congregated nearby, their presence adding a sense of serenity to the scene. In the distance, wild boars dashed through the undergrowth, adding an exhilarating element to this remarkable natural vista. It was a mesmerizing sight, showcasing the rich biodiversity thriving within the forest depths. Imagine the breathtaking sight of an elephant herd gracefully grazing amidst the lush green forest lands. Observing them from a distance, one can see these majestic creatures engaging in unique behavior, cooling themselves by throwing mud and sand on their bodies from the ground. This ritual serves as their natural way to beat the heat, as elephants lack sweat glands. It's a captivating display of adaptation and survival in their natural habitat, highlighting the beauty and resilience of the magnificent animals in the wild. Witnessing the tender moment of an elephant calf drinking milk from its mother is a heartwarming testament to the bond between the parent and child in the wild. As our safari neared its end, Shiva made a final stop to check with his teammates for any signs of big cat movements or alerts from the areas covered earlier by them. Unfortunately, the answer was not what we had hoped for. Nevertheless, we were content with the diverse array of wildlife sightings we had enjoyed despite not encountering any big cats. Upon disembarking from the jeep at the gate, we expressed our gratitude to Shiva once more for the wonderful safari experience and his warm hospitality throughout the journey. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you really enjoyed this video, please make your comments and also subscribe to the channel. See you again in the next video. Till then, this is Bijoy signing off. Thank you and bye.